Tile company recommendations. I definitely recommend going to a place that strictly deals with tile or the industry standard. I definitely believe you pay for what you get. I don't recommend going to a box store just because their quality standards don't meet the standards of an actual tile company. I am not scared to install tile from a box store. I do not recommend going there to shop as a first priority. I had one project where the tile came from a box store. Part of the lot was actually from Italy and part of it was actually from the United States. If you put the two tiles together, just held them up, they looked identical. But being that they were from two different entities altogether, they did not marry in size. They were completely different size. They did not meet any kind of standard that I would promote. I recommend going to a company like Virginia Tile or Genesee Tile, somewhere that actually specializes in the tile industry, because the quality of tile is going to be immensely better from an install standpoint, a longevity standpoint, and just in general a consistency standpoint.